Just a little bit, yeah. Look like anything you see behind you we can put on the table, like just a couple books or something?
Where's the record button? I don't even know where the record button is. It's usually red. Is this one right here?
Yes, there's a record button. The best one. Turn on.
Even like that, or?
You
can have pencils,
Is that stopping it?
Yeah,
Or
put that over.
pausing it? Is there a pause function?
No, I think he's trying to make this clear.
All right, so here's what. Can you do this? Hold the camera a little away from you and say like when I say go, then press the on button. Maybe press that one first, then press this one, and then say, and I'll say okay, ready, and then say hey, say what are you guys gonna play? And I'll say, oh, we're gonna play Gypsy Bird, and then I'll tell the story. I'm gonna tell the story a little bit to kind of hopefully draw their interest. If I like it, I'll keep it. Can you do that? Are you good with that? But don't talk right into the camera. You have to be like this when you do it. Okay, but you're gonna have to be really mellow with your drum. Remember that. Everybody, hold up 1 second. Thank you. Awesome.
Hello.
Sure. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Are you on break? Not what?
Yeah, well, we're still playing. We just thought we'd come in here and play for a while. I'm just kidding.
No, that was one of your basic student questions, wasn't it? All right, come on.
Oh yeah, Jessica, how are you?
Yeah, how do you want to
Okay, so I'll be moving around a little bit, Doris, so don't be afraid to follow me.
No, I haven't stayed this far back.
This?
You're in the screen right now.
Should I sit or stand?
I think you just stand.
You want me this far back?
It's okay if you want to sit so. Do you feel more comfortable?
I don't know, I almost feel like you're taking a better.
Yes, you can do those stools right there too, if you want one of those cool stools.
No arms.
Are you gonna get him in the picture enough though?
Everyone's in the picture. There's like 3 feet. This whole, even this camera's in it. I'm so far back that I'm getting the door and all the way over there, but you told me to go this far. I don't know how. I don't know
Line
how
that
to do
camera up.
Okay, just use common
That one's
sense,
going.
Doris. And,
Going.
and there's a pan thing, just pan in on this. With a zoom.
Did you see my guitar over this stuff?
Yes.
Yeah.
You sure?
Is it close? Should I stand?
Hold on, let me just make sure.
It's not going in. Is it? This camera.
Yeah, when he's soloing, you're gonna have to come over here and get right in on his hands. All
I
right.
can just stand if it's easier.
Let's stand.
That's gonna
My problem is I don't know this camera. I'm having to hold my arm in a completely different angle than I normally do.
So I'm gonna say
Action.
action, and you press record. Okay.
And then I'm going to say, what are you guys going to play?
Yeah. So when I say action, act like we're just talking, and then just say, what are you guys gonna play? I'm like, oh, we're gonna play the thing. And can you say also when I say the Gypsy Bird? Can you say, and what's this song? What's the story of this song? Can you say that?
Can I talk about naked girls?
Yeah. All right. Action.
Oh man,
Yeah.
What you guys going to play?
We're gonna play original composition. It's called Gypsy Bird.
And what's it about?
This song, actually, the song has a funny story. It was written in Romania on our last trek. I trekked through Romania looking for the gypsies to find the gypsy music. And I found lots of gypsies, but I didn't find the gypsy musicians. I think they were holding out on me. So I went into a field behind some gypsy wagons and composed this piece. But the birds were so noisy that my song started to sound like the birds. And then, when I was finished, I realized that that's kind of what the gypsy music sounds like, is the birds. So I think I ended up finding my gypsy music after all. Here we go. Were you panning a lot?
Pardon?
Were you zooming a lot?
Yes, yes.
So you're not answering my question?